Hello, do you want to design your WordPress website visually on the front end? You can choose Elementor Page Builder without any hesitation. Let me show you. Over 5 million websites were designed by Elementor Page Builder, so you can give it a try. Hi everyone, this is Imran. In this video training, I'll be showing you how you can easily install Elementor Page Builder. I'll show you the both free version and the pro version. I have provided a link in the video description. If you click on that link, you will be sent here on elementor.com. And if you would like to purchase Elementor Pro, then click on pricing. And here you can see personal, plus and expert packages. If you want to be a website developer, I think expert package will suit you best. And if you would like to try on your personal website or just want to purchase it for testing purpose, you can go with the personal package. Once you have successfully purchased the Elementor plugin, just click on My Account and log in with your login credential. Once you have logged in, you will see this interface, My Account, and here goes the license key and a button to download the plugin. Okay, just click on this button to download the plugin and it will be downloaded soon. Well friends, let's see how we can install the Elementor free and the pro version. Here, this is my testing website. It's a brand new installation of the site, so there is a little bit of content. And here I'm on the dashboard of my website. Just log into your website and navigate to plugins. Here you can see on the left sidebar and click on Add New. As we are going to install a plugin from an external source, so we will have to just upload plugin. Just click on upload plugin and choose file. Just browse your hard disk. Here is the file. I'm gonna click open and hit install now. Hit activate. Okay friends, now it says you will have to install Elementor free version too. So I'm not going to search for it. Click on this button, install now. Hit activate. So what I did, I installed the pro version first and it showed me the link to install the free version and I did that. That was the easiest way. And if you don't want to install the pro version, just want to install the free version, come to the plugins again, click on add new. And here you search for Elementor. Like any other plugin, you can easily install Elementor plugin. Click on this button, install now, and you will easily install the plugin. Okay, once you have installed, you will see a new menu entry on the left side called Elementor and templates, etc. Okay, so it's almost done. Now you can just go to all pages or you can create a page. I'm gonna create a page for testing purpose. I'm gonna check that everything is going on smoothly. Okay friends, here you can see the block editor interface. I'm gonna type the title of the page. I'm gonna create home page. So I'm gonna type home and hit publish. Hit publish. And now here you can see a big button, edit with Elementor. Now click on it. Elementor is loading. Well friends, here you can see the main workstation, studio or kitchen of Elementor Page Builder plugin. From here, you can start designing your website on the front end. If you would like to back to the dashboard, what you will have to do, click here again, okay, here, just and exit to dashboard. Click on it. Now I'm sent to the dashboard or backend again. If you want to go to the front end again, click the button edit with Elementor. So before I finish, let me show you the plugins I have installed. Just from the plugins, click on install plugins. And here you can see Elementor and the Elementor Pro version were installed and activated. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel to see the next videos. Hope to see you again in the next video.